Hello, my people. I trust we are all doing great. Okay, so if you are listening to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do so you won't miss out on any important news update from us. And if you've subscribed, thank you so much for doing so. And now on this one, still on Ondo state matter. For those of us asking how the primary election went, the Ondo APC primary election, it's no different from the rest, though. Still the same story of violence and thuggery during election. This one is no different during the APC primary election at Ondo State, that to the extent that even the party members had to run for their lives as katakata broke out at Okitipupa. This is not even something that when you say, you'll be like, oh, this thing has happened. We are used to it, though, and it's not good at all. Something needs to be done about all this, because I don't know why someone would want to, why the electoral scene in the country, the political scene in the country would just be the one where you won't even have peace. Your safety is not even guaranteed because you came out to exercise your political rights. Weird as it seems, it's really unfortunate that this has become a norm. Hey, okay, so let me read the news. People ran for their lives as serious kasala broke out at Ward 1 at Stella Maris College, Okitipupa, between rival supporters of two governorship aspirants of the All Progressives Congress, APC, in Ondo State. Accredited members of the party who had turned out early in their large numbers to elect the party's candidate for the November 16 poll took to their heels when a fracas broke out between the rival supporters. Hey, God. Look at what happened during our presidential election. It was not safe at all. People literally had their hearts in their hand because they came out to vote. Like, what if this had happened? What if this had happened? Even across the whole country, during the gubernatorial elections across the country, you would hear of this one happened. At least you would definitely hear of one mistake or a defect that happened. I just don't know why elections can't be free and fair. Then later, they will not be the one to come out and say, yes, election was free and fair. But this is what we saw. This is what happened. Even during the presidential elections, when people actually came out, they took responsibilities. No one was able to sleep. They were like, no, okay, let's see how the election is going to be rigged eventually. But at the end of the day, what's want to happen will happen. It's really a pity. Even me that is saying it, I don't even feel proud saying it, because it's not supposed to be at all. Okay, the according to the news agency of Nigeria, the accreditation and election process had not begun when the violence erupted as voters scampered for safety. One of the accredited voters who preferred anonymity told NAN that one of the agents of an aspirant came to the ward, snatched the validation and accreditation papers, and ran away. They chased him but could not catch him. This caused the violence, he said. I just wonder, who are those people that they would use as tools to cause destruction? Okay, I wonder if they even think, what if they die in the process? Is that not enough thought for somebody that is reasonable? But no, they don't even care. They just do whatever they want to do as long as money is involved. During the presidential election, people truly needed change, to the extent that people came out more this time around to vote. But at the end of the day, what happened still happened. And tell me, would you tell these people to come back tomorrow to vote? They'll be like, no. Since their votes does not count, and anything that the government wants to do, they will still do it. So what's the point? Hey, are we really practicing democracy if this is the case? Can we proudly tell people that Nigeria as a country is practicing democracy? Look at Senegal, for instance. They recently conducted their election. I did not hear of any violence whatsoever. It was calm and peaceful. Just Senegal is also an African country. Why is it that it's Nigeria most of all that we usually hear this kind of news, and we call ourselves the giants of Africa? It's really an irony. So, reading further, NAN reports that the security agents at the world were unable to contain the violence as everyone fled the scene. Can you imagine? The security agents they put there, the police and other security agents, were not able to stop those people. I really don't understand all this. I really don't. Because is it that they were not, or they are not adequately trained to know what to do in matters like this? Or is it that those people are stronger than them? Because what is the point of putting them there and then things would go wrong? People can't even trust them anymore. You know, assuming they were not there, then it would have been a different case. But this happened under their watch. And the agents just did whatever they want to do and then they fled. That means anything can happen. We are just living at their mercy, because a country where the security agents are not active and cannot even do anything like this, they just left them and that one is gone. Or is it that they were allies, or they are allies to this plan? Because it's really not making sense here. It's really not, and it's really unfair and it's sad. Okay, so now let's take comment. Let's hear what people are saying about this. Olatunde Adesoya said, selfish people, are you really going to serve your people or serving your own interests? Harassing innocent people. Well, it's unfortunate that is the same story we've been hearing over and over again. Okon Udo said, common party primary. Naim Unade, they buy people for. Bashir Yahaya Salisu said, that's APC for you, and tomorrow they will come out and tell us they had a free and fair exercise. Obviously, we know they are lying. They always lie. Hey, okay, that's just it on the matter. And thank you so much for listening. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And bye for now.